It's my pleasure to be here today to announce the association of CBS with Karmic and for the launch of this store. Uh, Karmic is born out of the USP is three aces. Three aces: aspirational, affordable, and accessible. You can't go wrong with these three. Aspiration in the sense top Indian designers of the country. Affordable is around $100 pricing, and at 60 stores in the 60 standalone stores in the country. As we speak, our first Karmic store is going to be launched tomorrow morning, and every second day we will launch a store for the next 12 days. So in the next 12 days, we will launch 6 Karmic stores across the country: Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Ludhiana, Bombay, all of these.
Now I'm going to Neeta ma'am, if I can please ask you to speak about your association with Karmic and I Love Style.
A very good evening to all of you, friends. And I would like to take this opportunity to say a heartfelt thank you to all of you for all your support always. Um, to speak about my association with Karmic, no, I cannot speak about my association with Karmic because I have to speak about with the man behind Karmic, and that's Pradeep Hirani. We go back almost 25 years. And from college, where Pradeep, myself, and a whole lot of friends used to hang out, sit on walls, just talk, have fun, eat bhel, and that too in Bandra. And after which, also includes Anita Dongre. And after which we sort of got into our own professions. Pradeep went on to becoming this big entrepreneur as we all know him today. And the rest of us pursued some careers in fashion. Some became housewives, some became marketing, whatever, whatever. And ever since, there is one person who has never sort of cut off in between, and that has always been Pradeep. And Pradeep is like a friend, like an elder brother. Every time there is anything you need to say, Pradeep, I need to know this. And he's always around. And I would say that Karmic association with Pradeep and Kimaya Group is one of the best because it feels like home. It feels like, you don't have to worry about what's happening, who's going to do the marketing, how the sales going to be. You know, when there is a heart behind something, success has to be there because you are going to put in your effort wholeheartedly into it. And I think that's what's going to happen with Karmic. And I'm really happy to be part of the Karmic Association. And I'm really looking forward to it. We have a great collection going, and I love the price points at which Karmic is being sold at. I think it's very, very consumer targeted, and it is what India is absolutely ready for today. it is also targeting tier 2 and tier 3 cities, which I think today is the main consumer area. So thank you, Pradeep, and thank you, everybody.
Thank you very much.
Food